Good morning, students. Today, in our this lesson, in our this lecture, we will discuss about the exercise of simple, compound, and complex sentences. In our previous lecture, we have discussed about the main topic of simple, compound, and complex sentences. Students, in our previous lecture, we also so that what is a simple, compound, and complex sentences. But through this exercise, through these samples of sentences, we will clarify what is a simple, complex, and compound sentences. So be ready, keep attention, listen me carefully. Now we will start our lecture of exercise of simple, compound, and complex sentences. Students, so here you can see some examples. First example, God helps those who helps themselves. You can see God helps those who helps themselves. Two clauses are there. First is God helps those, and second is help themselves. Who help themselves. That is another clause. Here you can see God helps those. It stands its own way. It makes its complete meaning without who helps themselves. But who helps themselves cannot stand on. It cannot make its own meaning, complete meaning without God helps those. So, in short, God helps those. It is principal clause, it is main clause, and who helps themselves, it is a subordinate clause. And in our discussion, we have seen that whenever in the sentence one is principal clause and second is subordinate clause, the sentence will known as complex sentence. So, God helps those who help themselves is the example of complex sentence. So, here we will write that is complex sentence. Second example, walk quickly. It is first clause, you will miss the time. Walk quickly or you will miss the train. Here also you can see that in this sentence there are two clauses. Walk quickly is first and second you will miss the train. But here there is a difference between first and second sentences clauses. Because here walk quickly it also make its own complete meaning and you will miss the train. This clause also can make its complete meaning. Means they are both independent clause. They are both equal rank. So, whenever this type of clauses in any sentence are given, the sentence will be compound sentence. Which sentence? Compound sentence. Because here two clauses are there, walk quickly and you will miss the train. But both the clauses are independent. They are not dependent on any another clause. So this sentence is the example of compound sentence. Okay? Clear? Number 3. Third sentence, I know where he has gone. I know, but what I know? Where he has gone. Where he has gone. So I know, it make its complete meaning, I know. But where he has gone, this clause is dependent clause. It is dependent on I know to make it complete sense. So one is principal and second is subordinate clause. when there is one principal and second is subordinate clause, the sentence will be complex. Next, they rested when the night came. They rested when the night came. Here also such a kind of sentence, they rested in one clause and when the night came. They rested. It is a principal clause. It makes its own meaning. It makes a complete meaning without when the night came. But when the night came, it is not a independent clause. It depends on they rested. So we can say that when the night came is a subordinate clause, while the rested is a main clause. So this sentence also will be complex. After it, number 5, I know the place where wild roses grow. I know the place where wild roses grow. I know the place. I know the place. It can make its meaning, but where wild roses grow, it is not an independent clause. It depends on I know the place. So it is subordinate clause and it is principal clause, means main clause. And so we can say that this is also complex sentence. Next sentence, work hard and you will pass. Work hard, you will pass. The clause is work hard. It is a complete meaning. It can work. It can act as a complete meaning. Work hard. We can say work hard, you will pass. It is also complete sentence. Work hard, you will pass. These both are clauses. These both are independent clauses. So, whenever this type of independent clauses are there in the sentence will be compound sentence. Next, we will see. Next sentence is okay. Next sentence number 7. Men may come, men may go, but I go on forever. So students, here you also can see some clauses. First is men may come, men may go, but I go on forever. There are total 3 clauses. How many clauses? There are total 3 clauses. Men may come, men may go, but I go on forever. Men may come. It is also full sentence. Men may go. It has also complete meanings. And I go on forever. It has also its own meaning. So we can say that the clauses, all 3 clauses are independent clauses, and they need no any another clauses to make its own complete meaning. They are all equal rank clauses. So this is the example of compound sentence. Second, number 8. Come tomorrow and get your money. Come tomorrow. We know that it is imperative sentence, complete imperative sentence. Come tomorrow. It has one subject and predicate also. Get your money. It is also imperative sentence. It has also subject and predicate. And they are also independent clause. come tomorrow also stands on sale. Get your money, it can also stands in sale. So these are both clauses are independent clauses. They are both equal rank clauses. So it is also one another example of compound sentence. Third, we return. We return home when the sun set. We return home. It is a complete meaning. It has a complete meaning. We return home. But when? When the sun set. We return home. It is first clause and it has a complete meaning. So it is a principal clause. But when the sun set. When the sun set. The sun set. When the sun set. It is a dependent clause. The sun set. It needs we return home to make its complete meaning. So this is the example of complex sentence. All that glitters not gold. All that glitters are not gold. Here in this sentence you can see that one is principal clause, one is main clause, and second is subordinate clause. And when in any sentence one is main clause, one is principal clause, and one is a subordinate clause, the sentence will be complex sentence. I think he is absent today. He is absent today. It has complete meaning. He is absent today. It has complete meanings. It is a principal clause. It can stand on sale. But what I think, he is absent today. I think it cannot stand for its own. It cannot make its complete meaning. It is dependent on he is absent today. So I think is a dependent clause and he is absent today is independent clause. So one is dependent and one is independent. One is a subordinate and one is a principal clause. Sentence will be complex. I will live where you live. Here also two clauses. I will live. I will live where you live. Here in this sentence also one is dependent and one is independent clause. One is principal and second is subordinate clause. So this is also complex sentence. Okay, next we will see another examples. Okay, next sentence. The way was long. The way was long. Students, here you can see the way was long. It has only one clause and it can make its own complete meaning. And it has only main principal clause. And whenever in the sentence there is only one meaningful clause, one principal clause is given, the sentence will be simple sentence. Here it has only one clause and it stands on itself. Next sentence, 40 number. Night came on. Night came on. Rain fell heavily. We all got very wet. There are three clauses. Night came on. Rain fell heavily. We all got very wet. These all three clauses are independent clauses. They are all equal rank. So this sentence will be compound. Okay, because all the three clauses are, they can stand for its answer. Number 15. I know the man. I know the man, but who? I know the man, but who? Who said that the earth is flat? So I know the man, but who? So to make its complete meanings, we need who said that the earth is flat. So in that sentence, in this sentence, one is principal clause and second is subordinate clause. So this sentence will be complex. Next, he goes to school. He goes to school, but his sister stays at home. First clause, he goes to school. It has subject, predicate. His sister stays at home. It has also its own subject and predicate. So these are both independent clauses. These are both independent clauses. It means these are both equal rank clauses, and so this sentence will be compound sentence. Okay, so this sentence is also compound sentence. So I hope students you have understood what is a simple, compound and complex sentence, and now you can easily find out the sentence which is simple, which is complex, and which is compound sentence. Okay, another examples you can solve yourself. Okay, thanks.